Into Lynx, and the brightest galaxy in the constellation, NGC 2683. This bright spiral lies almost edge-on to us, and showed in the 8.2-inch scope of having a large bright core area with its outer extensions going northeast to southwest. The whole galaxy is modeled, and sits in a nice field of stars. Staying in Lynx, I head over to the 12.5-inch Dob and swing the larger scope up into the constellation's western area for the galaxy pair UGC 3445 and its companion UGC 3446. This is a surprisingly wonderful pair situated in a terrific star field. UGC 3445 is elongated going east to west, with a fairly bright stellar nucleus. UGC 3446 shows a slightly smaller round disk with an almost stellar core. This was one of my favorite views of the night. Back over to the go-to mount of the 8.2-inch, and I punched in the hand controller NGC 3521 in southern Leo. Though 3521 is one of the brightest galaxies in the constellation, it's not as well known as its northern Leo neighbors. In the eyepiece, the galaxy responded well in the 8.2-inch reflector. It showed a strikingly bright stellar nucleus with a large oval-shaped disk that is mottled. The northern area from 3521's core extended a bit farther out than the southern part. Up in Ursa Major, an interesting galaxy, NGC 3448. This galaxy shows being elongated, going northeast to southwest. The core has a boxy shape to it, and showed a bit of modeling. The outer parts of 3448 showed a couple of very faint patches, and with careful observation, a faint bulge or knot was seen on the northeast part of the galaxy. I studied this view longer than any other galaxy this night. It definitely responds well to aperture. My last view of the night was an amazing view of the large edge-on NGC 4244. In Galaxy Log Date 3/18/2018 video, I described this galaxy with the 8.2-inch from a lesser dark site. Here under darker skies and the larger 12.5-inch scope, this galaxy really is a gem. Best view is with a 10mm wide-field eyepiece, and 4244 showed as large and thin, stretching northeast to southwest. The central part of the galaxy is heavily mottled and moderately bright. A bit of patchiness is just seen northeast and southwest of the core, which are large star clouds in this wonderful galaxy.